Hello. I hope that your week has been good. I'm here with more signs related to the current situation. Again, thank you for your questions. Today's video focuses on staying home and keeping groups physically separated and those terms. If you missed last week, I showed signs related to virus and pandemic and so on. This video is in American Sign Language. Try watching, and if you need English support, enable volume or captions. I'm sharing resources to help you continue learning and practicing ASL from home. Go to aslmeredith.com/learn-from-home. People try to help how? By staying home. Stay. Stay. It's the Y hand shape with the palm facing down, not up, down. Stay. Stay. Home. Stay. Home. Stay home. Social distancing. Social or socialize. Distancing. Separate. Separation. Better maybe physical separation with the P hand shape. Physical. Physical. Physical or physical, like this, means body. So either physical or physical distancing. Or third, you can use your index fingers to show separation. So this represents a person, one here and one all the way over there. Again, social distancing, or maybe physical distancing, self-isolation, self-isolate, self-isolate. So again, the sign myself, 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 self-isolate, it's like that's the roof of your house and the index finger is a person staying under it. Isolate or isolation. Also, you may see it with an I hand shape. The pinky, isolate or isolated. Isolation. Either the pinky or index finger. Self-isolation, meaning that you voluntarily will be self-isolating. That sign, you can change the movement from self-isolate, meaning me at my body, but maybe a different person self-isolates. Self-isolate. So again, self, not at me, at them, self. That person may be my friend. She is self, same hand shape, self-isolating. Self-isolating. Quarantine. Quarantine. That word, quarantine, can be signed like this. The two hand shapes, palms inward toward yourself in the V hand shape, and then the fingers come together. Quarantine. Quarantine. You also may see during conversation, if there's no context, you might fingerspell it the first time, quarantine, and then show the sign. I've seen it also signed like this, where you show one person or perhaps a group, and then the other C hand shape shows that they are separated. Quarantine. Quarantine. The word quarantine means what? Someone that you know to be sick, and they must stay separated. Quarantine. It's different from self-isolation, which means, again, that you think maybe you've been exposed, so you have to be careful and decide that you will isolate yourself. Quarantine. Self-isolation. Internet. Internet. The middle fingers are down and touching, and the hands twist alternating. Internet. Internet helps people stay connected. You can't physically socialize in the same room right now, but maybe you can still establish connection. Anyway, I hope that that helped you learn a few signs related to the current situation. If you have other words you want to learn, let me know. Comment, please, and let me know. I'll be back for more signs soon. Bye. Thank you, and please stay home. Continue to feel well. Take care of yourself.